这已经开了呀。
左下角。
哦。FPS 太低了，帧率太低了，帧率太低了。你先回复，你和我说啥？我想用镜头看一下。Hello everyone, welcome to our live season. I'm Ida from Manganese Metallurgical Materials Company. Our company is a professional ferroalloy manufacturer and exporter based in China. Yes, and today we will talk about two important products: medium carbon ferromanganese and low aluminum ferrosilicon. We will also share practical advice on how to store and transport this material during the summer. Yes, so feel free to leave your question in the chat in the comment area in the chat. I will answer them later in the season. Yes, and let's begin with the medium carbon ferromanganese. Yes, and so first, let's know what is medium carbon ferromanganese, and it's alloy. It's a ferroalloy mainly made up of manganese and carbon. It's just like his name. It's just like its name. It contains 78 to 82% manganese and about 2% carbon. Yes, with very little sulfur and phosphorus. It can be produced in two ways. Yeah, two ways. Either by refining high carbon ferromanganese to reduce its carbon content, or by mixing high carbon and low carbon types to get the right composition. Yes, and uh, this type of ferroalloy provides a middle solution between high carbon and high carbon ferromanganese, and low or ultra low carbon ferromanganese. We all know the high carbon ferromanganese, its carbon is over 6%, and the low or ultra low carbon ferromanganese, its carbon below 0.5%. Yes, and the medium carbon ferromanganese, its carbon content is about 2%. So the medium carbon ferromanganese provides a middle solution that make it ideal for steelmakers who need moderate carbon control without increasing cost too much or losing performance. So that's what is medium carbon ferromanganese. Then let me share how does the medium carbon ferromanganese compare to other types. Uh, 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 if you want to get the detailed information, you can click our website, the www.thexferroalloy.com, and to turn to the page of ferromanganese, and you can find the specification of ferromanganese. There are different specifications from high carbon, medium carbon, and low carbon. When you check the table, you can see medium carbon ferromanganese sits between high and low carbon types. It keeps a steady amount of manganese while having a controlled level of carbon. Yes, and this makes it great for things that need strength but shouldn't be too hard to uh, or easy to break. Yes. Let me try to show you the pictures in the screen. Let me check. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Yes, please check please check the table. That is the specification of ferromanganese. I show it in our screen, and you can get the detailed specification from this table. We can find the high carbon ferromanganese and its carbon content about 8 mass. And medium carbon, yes, just like what I said, it's about 2%. This table shows is 1.5, but actually the carbon content, medium carbon ferromanganese, it's 1 to 2 这个 copper percent, yes. And then the low carbon ferromanganese is its carbon content is 1% max, and uh, ultra low carbon ferromanganese it is 0.5 carbon content. Yes, and this is the typical specification of ferromanganese for your reference. Of course, uh, if you have other requirement about its specification, you can also share it with us. We will check if it's feasible to supply. Okay, then let's continue. Let's continue. Then just we have choose the specification of different carbon medium from different carbon uh, ferromanganese. Then now let's look at why it works well in making steels. It's the medium carbon ferromanganese. Its process benefits and carbon control and the manganese and carbon ratio management. Yes, the first, the right carbon level of tablets. Using high carbon ferromanganese can lead to too much carbon in steel, which may make the material harder but also more brittle. While low carbon ferromanganese gives very little carbon, but it is more expensive. Yes, we all know in the ferromanganese, the uh, the carbon content is lower, the price is higher. Yes, so medium carbon ferromanganese finds a good balance between high carbon ferromanganese and low carbon ferromanganese. It has enough carbon to help with the strength changes when steel is heat treated, but not so much uh, that it causes issues. And the second is better control of the about the better control of the manganese and carbon ratio. Manganese Manganese makes the steel stronger and better at handling heat treatment, but how well it works depends a lot on how much carbon there is compared to manganese. Yes, and medium carbon for manganese lets steel makers adjust this balance exactly, especially for steels that need to be both flexible and able to resist wear. Knowing, uh, so, uh, knowing how it helps in the steel making process, uh, then let's say where it's actually used. Let's turn to the third aspect. Yes, we just understand first what is medium carbon ferromanganese. Yes, and how does medium carbon ferromanganese compare to other types? Yes, just different types of ferromanganese, and then the process benefits of medium carbon ferromanganese and why steelmakers choose it. We introduce it from two aspects: the right carbon level of for tablets and the better control of the manganese and carbon ratio. Okay, now let's see where it's actually used. The real applications of medium carbon ferromanganese in steel production. The medium carbon ferromanganese is often used to make structural alloy steels, tool steels, and forged parts. It's especially useful for gears and shafts that need both strength and toughness. The real steel and car parts that need to resist wear and engineering skills where controlling the carbon and the manganese ratio helps with heat treatment. Manganese also helps remove oxygen and sulfur from steel, making the final product tougher and stronger. The medium carbon content lets steelmakers balance making the steel's structure finer and controlling its hardness. So it works well in many different alloy steels. Yeah, that's medium carbon ferromanganese is about its real applications. Besides process control, carbon ferromanganese also supports cleaner and more efficient steelmaking. Let's explore how. So we will introduce environmental and efficiency advantages of this product. The first about rework lower emissions. Yes. One hidden cost in steel refining is the need to reprocess batches when carbon levels go too high. This often happens with high carbon ferromanganese. It may lead to unweighted extra carbon in the steel, more steps to refine the steel again, more slag, yes, the waste from smelting. But medium carbon ferromanganese, yes, with 1 to 2% carbon, controls the carbon levels more precise. This means less need to remove extra carbon and fewer mistakes that require reworking the steel. So less so medium for the medium carbon ferromanganese. Less reworking means fewer emissions, less wear on equipment, and lower cost for handling slag. The second aspect is less manganese lost to oxidation. In electric arc furnaces or open ladles, a lot of manganese can be lost because it reacts with oxygen, especially if it's not added evenly. Medium carbon ferromanganese usually has a high recovery rate for manganese, less smoke and dust when added to the furnace, more predictable results in how much usable material is produced in electric arc furnace and ladle furnaces. This not only saves money but also reduces small particles and manganese containing slag. In many places, these are regulated to protect the environment. In today's push to reduce carbon emissions, every bit of material saved and every unit of energy cut counts. Medium carbon ferromanganese offers a practical way to reduce waste, cut emissions, and make the process more efficient without hurting steel quality. So, if you are looking to improve steel techniques, reduce production's waste, and manage carbon content more easily, medium carbon ferromanganese is a smart and balanced solution. Its chemical stability, reliable performance, and environmental benefits makes it suitable for modern cost-conscious steelmakers, especially those producing alloy and special steels. Yes, then that's what I want to share with you about the medium for manganese. If you are also interested in this product, there's medium carbon for manganese. There's a balanced choice for quality and sustainability. Welcome to leave your comment or leave your message in our website uh, or ask the inquiry directly. We will send the detailed information, the quotation uh, or other messages that you need. Yes. Okay. Um, then then let's uh, we have introduced this product. Then let's discuss how to stop or shipment, how to stop and shipment the farmer needs in summer, in hot summer. Yes. For manganese, especially the medium and low carbon grades and fine sizes, they must be uh, they must uh, they must be careful in stock and shipping when it's summer. Yes, why? That's fine or low carbon manganese is more reactive. Small particles are more likely to oxidize or generate dust, especially in heat and humidity. So during summer, please pay attention to the first moisture protection. Keep packaging sealed and avoid open air storage. And second, ventilation. Store in about the ventilation. So store in dry, well ventilated places. The second is about the shipping. So when you ship, please choose a reliable forwarder and avoid exposure to sun and rain during transport. And for fine powder grades, avoid stacking too high to reduce the pressure and clapping. Yes, that's what I want to share with you about the medium carbon ferromanganese. That's our first aspect. 这啥？谁呀？ 这是啥膜？有什么？Okay, then let's continue with the second part. It's about low aluminum ferrosilicon. The low aluminum ferrosilicon, just like its name, it has lower aluminum, but uh, when 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 don't you understand this, we must begin with the ferrosilicon. Yes, the ferrosilicon remains a critical allo- let's first understand the ferrosilicon. Then I will show you about the low aluminum grade. Yes, the ferrosilicon remains a critical alloy in the steel and foundry industries, whether used to dioxide its molten metal or improve strength. It's hard to imagine a steel plant without it. But as the global market evolves and temperatures rise in summer, ferrosilicon suppliers and buyers face new considerations, from changing demand to safe storage. So, what's happening in the ferrosilicon market this summer? Since June 2025, global ferrosilicon prices have remained generally stable, with a slight increase in some regions due to tighter supply and shipping delays. So, mm, this is update. Uh, Actually, this ferrosilicon Chinese ferrosilicon market has increased a lot. Yes, uh, even the price uh, raise raise several hundreds several hundreds per ton. Yes, so uh, let's just know what's driving the market. 不对呀，这都过时了。嗯，干干。Okay, let's directly discuss the low aluminum ferrosilicon matters. Standard ferrosilicon. Let me show you the let me choose you uh, let me show you the ferrosilicon. Yes, this is the different specifications of ferrosilicon. Our typically specification just show it to you. We can from this table. The standard ferrosilicon typically uh, contains 2% aluminum. Yes, and but for certain steel grades, yes, just check this table. You can find whatever the ferrosilicon 75, 72, 70, or 65. Their aluminum content is always is about 2%. The difference is their silic is their silicon content and yes, and other impurity is is about is similar, yes, and but for aluminum ferrosilicon, just like its name. Its aluminum content is lower than the normal ferrosilicon. So for certain steel grades, especially alloy structural steels, spring steels, and precision castings, high aluminum can introduce unwanted inclusions. So, we our low aluminum ferrosilicon usually with uh, aluminum content below 1.5% or even 0.5% offers a cleaner alloying result. Here's I want to share why customers will choose low carbon low aluminum ferrosilicon. The first is because low aluminum ferrosilicon improved steel cleanliness. The fewer inclusions mean better mechanical properties. And the second is better control in low oxygen steel production lines. The third is preferred in international markets, especially where customers have stricter uh, specifications. Um, Actually, earlier this year, our company exported a batch of 75% silicon and below 0.5% aluminum ferrosilicon to Middle East foundry. Yes, and let me share these productions, the SGS test results. Yes, let me share with you. That's our that's we export. That's the low aluminum ferrosilicon test report that were exported to the Middle East country. Let me show it with you. There's let me show it with you. Yes, this is the low aluminum ferrosilicon that we have exported to Middle East foundry. It's SGS test results. We can find these results is can you see it? Can you see it? Why it didn't show? 啊，没有显示啊，显示了没有？OK，we can find the test result is very good. The silicon content about 65 不是 75.69. The carbon content is about 0.036. Is a very low. It's a very low carbon content, and for 这个 the P content is about 0.06 0.26. It's also a low content, and the aluminum content is just one. It's just 0.2% content. Yes, it's a very good low aluminum content in the low aluminum content ferrosilicon, and also the sulfur content you can find is just below the 0.003. It's a very low sulfur content. So uh, this this so this time that time we have exported a very good quality to our customer. Yes. So if you are also interested in high quality polysilicon, especially for the high standard such as the low aluminum ferrosilicon, welcome to contact us to get what you wanted, the high quality ferrosilicon. We can provide high quality. Our quality and service are guaranteed. And all this after this export case after this case, yes, our customer also reported smoother dioxidation and less slag generations, especially in the thin wall casting lines. So it's a very good and smooth cooperation with us. If you also want to get a good cooperation, just from now on, please let us know your requirements. Uh, we will provide the right specification, the right specification to you. Okay, then let's discuss how to handle the ferrosilicon in summer. Yes, about its storage and transport tips. Because summer brings challenges for alloy handling, especially in humid or rainy regions. Uh, so Zhenxi is just our company. Ferrosilicon, our ferrosilicon is relatively stable. but moisture and oxidation can still impact quality, particularly in finely crushed or powder form. So to ensure quality and safety, our company follows the following methods. First, double layer packaging. We can provide the inner waterproof plastic and ultra woven jumbo bag as the packaging, the double layer packaging. And second, we provide optional pallet for better container loading and forklift handling. The third, covered loading to prevent exposure during rainy or humid days. The fourth, warehouse about the warehouse conditions. Uh, uh, we had better um, stock this silicon, uh, dry, shaded, and well ventilated storage to prevent lumping or moisture absorption. Yes, moisture absorption, and and avoid long exposure to direct sunlight when you stock or shipment, especially especially in portable storage areas. So we also we also advise checking packaging labels and requesting fresh production batches, especially for orders requiring low aluminum or special granularity. Yes. So, as a summary, in summary, ferrosilicon continues to be a cornerstone of steelmaking, and low aluminum variants are gaining more attention in global markets this summer. At the same time, proper packaging and transportation are key to ensuring quality during the hottest months of the year. So, but at Zhenxin, at our company, we provide tailored ferrosilicon solutions for all your needs, including uh, customized grades, export packaging, and on-time delivery. If you are interested in exploring this low aluminum ferrosilicon, so feel free to contact our team for samples and quotation. Welcome to leave your message, leave your inquiry in our website or contact us directly. Welcome to leave your message. Look forward to provide the Chinese ferroalloy solutions to you. 嗯，现在几点了？46了，46了。Okay, then, okay, we have I have shared the uh, I have shared the medium carbon ferromanganese and the ferrosilicon. So if you are interested in them, welcome to contact us. Then please allow me to share our videos with you. Uh, the new video we have asked the professional to professional. We have asked to 哎呀，咋说呀？反正是we would like to share our new video with you. Please, if you want to want to see our factory, but because of the long distance, because of 那个叫啥？那个叫反正but for not inconvenience because of inconvenience. You can first check our new video to know us. Let me share it with you. Our new video. Let me share you about our new video. Let's not have the new video. There's other. 视频呢？这个上面没有。哦，在这儿。Let me try. Okay, let me see the comment area. Hello Fiona, hello Tina. Thanks for your comment. Sorry, just say it just now. Just saw it. Uh, I just saw it just now, and I refresh the comment and then say it. Yes, thank you, Tina. If you have other questions, welcome to leave. And nice to see you here. Okay, then maybe we can 可以结束了吧？都已经 Okay, so thank you all for staying with us, with me. If you would like to know more about any of the products we mentioned, or if you are looking for updated offers for ferroalloys, please feel free to contact us directly or leave your email, messenger, WhatsApp. Yes, we are always happy to support your sourcing needs with quality, consistency, and flexibility. Yes, and don't forget to follow our page for future updates. We will be sharing more product insights and export news soon. Thanks again, and see you next time. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.